Welcome everybody to Gus Brown Buick GMC here in Port Perry. Today we're going to take you on a tour of this 2018 Chevy Cruze Premier Hatchback. This is a rare find. You don't see a lot of the hatch in the Premier model, and this one has, I believe, every option you can get on it. We are going to take you on a tour of this Cruze as if you were here with us in person, so you can shop from home and really get a great look at this Cruze. This has just over 116,000 kilometers on it. Underneath the hood is a 1.4 liter, 4-cylinder turbocharged engine connected to a 6-speed automatic transmission. The nice thing about that 1.4 liter is it's a small 4-cylinder, so you're going to get fantastic fuel mileage, but the turbocharger will kick in when you need it to give you that extra little boost if you need to get up and go and pass. Now you can see from the side profile here, it's a good size hatch, big back doors, lots of room in the back seat. We will show you that momentarily, but we're just going to continue our tour on the outside. Now have a look at these great looking 17-inch alloy wheels. Got some great rubber on there, really sharp looking wheel. We have LED turn signals in the side view mirrors. And then as we come around to the back, we'll open up the hatch here so you can see all of the cargo space. We have an integrated rear spoiler, nice looking taillights. Look at the little Chevy badge, little Easter egg that they put in there for you. Cruze badge, we have rear sonar on the back plus a nice rear view camera, and then you can see here the Premier badge. Now opening up the hatch, look at all the room we have back here. It's plenty of space, split folding rear seat as well, and we also have the privacy cover up top, so that way when you close it up you can't really see in, can't see anything back there, so that'll protect your valuables. Now as we come around the passenger side, just so you can see all four corners of this Cruze. And then coming up to the front, nice looking headlights, LED daytime running lights. Take a step back so you can see the full front end. Love the gold Chevy bow tie on the front. All right, now let's go take a look on the inside. We'll look in the back seats and then we'll hop into the front. And again, being the Premier, this has got a lot of features on it. For example, this leather interior. So great looking seats in here. You can see that big center armrest that will fold down. And a nice bonus, these rear seats are heated seats as well. Something you would not expect in a Cruze, but you do have the rear heated seats. And then we also have down here a regular home outlet. So if you need to charge up some stuff, you can just plug in a USB charger in there and then get all the power you need. Now up front, have a look. We have a power sunroof up front. Again, those really nice looking leather seats. It is a power driver's seat as well. And of course, they're heated seats up in the front. Can you imagine? Heated seats in the rear, but not in the front. All right, now that we're inside here, some of the great safety features on this Cruze: forward emergency braking, lane departure warning. We have blind spot warning in the side view mirrors. We've got a great rear view camera system as well, automatic high beam. So this Cruze is really, really well equipped with a lot of the safety features you would want. Obviously, if you're buying this for your son, your daughter, maybe they're headed off to university or something like that. I mean, very, very safe vehicle to put your kids in as well as yourself if you're buying it for a commuter or what have you. Leather wrapped heated steering wheel. That heated steering wheel button is right here. Here's our lane keeping assist, our cruise control, and then our controls over here for our center display. Taking a look at the odometer, you can see that there, 116,400 kilometers. That's very, very low mileage for this Cruze. Give you a look down at the center console. Nice little driver's perspective here for you. Now up front, we have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. We've got onboard navigation as well. So you can see here, you're starting to get a better idea. This has got pretty much every option on it available. Text messaging, we have Sirius satellite radio, Bluetooth audio streaming, and then our nice clear rear view camera system. All right, so looking down here, we have climate control. So you just set the temperature to whatever you'd like it to be, hit auto, and then it'll automatically get there. You can see the heated seats are also lit up. And then just below that, we've got USB auxiliary and a 12-volt port as well to keep everything nice and charged up. Our automatic shifter. We have a wireless cell phone charger. 2018, guys, wireless cell phone charger. This Cruze was kind of ahead of its time, let's be honest. On the key fob, we've got a remote starter as well, which is hooked up to our push button start. And then last but not least is the Carfax here. So you can see 18 Cruze Premier, no reported accidents. We even have 5 service records that you could view on this Carfax as well. But folks, listen, if you are looking for a fantastic value find, a Cruze, it even has Bose stereo? Come on, get out of here. What a great find. Guys, an 18 Cruze, 116,000K hatchback loaded with every single feature on it. This won't be here long. Reach out to us at Gus Brown Buick GMC right here in the heart of Port Perry so you can get behind the wheel of this incredible 2018 Cruze Premier. Thanks so much for watching. We can't wait to see you at Gus Brown.